who became Miss Diva Universe 2022, Divita Rai, Karnataka, in which state Shumang Lila Festival was celebrated, Manipur, who has released the book Science Behind Surya Namaskar on August 31, 2022, Shri Munjipara. On August 31, the CM of which state has expanded the Vidyanidhi Yojana for the children of agricultural laborers, Karnataka. Which country's largest warship HMS Princess of Wales has been damaged on August 31, 2022, UK. Who became the third richest person in the world, Gautam Adani. Recently, where was the Nuakhai festival celebrated, Odisha. Who has been appointed as the DG of News Services Division by All India Radio on September 1, 2022, Vasudha Gupta. Which country's cricketer Colin D. Gandhulam has retired from international cricket on September 1, 2022, New Zealand. Where is the first Homeopathy International Health Summit held on September 1, 2022, Dubai? Where did Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav address the G20 Environment and Climate Ministerial Meeting, Bali? Which day was celebrated on 2nd September, World Coconut Day? Who became the first Indian woman to reach the final of the World Junior Swimming Championship, Apeksha Fernandez. Ranveer Singh has received the Best Actor award for which of the film in 67 Filmfare Award 2022, Film 83. In which country the road is named after A.R. Rahman, Canada? Which state government has launched a loan scheme, Mahila Nidhi, for women on September 3, 2022? Rajasthan. Recently, India has become the fifth largest economy in the world, overtaking which country? Britain. In which state school will be bagless once a week? Madhya Pradesh. Which state's education department has launched the e-governance portal Samarth on September 3, 2022? Uttarakhand. With which country India has signed MOU for the establishment of Cultural Council on September 3, 2022, UAE. Where will the government set up the country's first night sky sanctuary to promote astrotourism? Ladakh. Which state government has decided to develop state capital region on the line of NCR on September 4, 2022? Uttar Pradesh. Which Cambodian psychiatrist has been honored with the 64th Raman Magsaysay Award 2022? Sothiara Chim. Which Bangladeshi cricketer has announced his retirement from T20 international cricket on 5th September? Mushfiqur Rahim. Which medal has Anishka Biani won on Malaysian Chess Championship on September 5th, 2022? Gold. Who has been appointed as the new CMD of the Shipping Corporation of India on September 5, 2022? B.K. Tyagi. Which country has become the first to approve the sniffing corona vaccine on September 6, 2022? China. Which state's Bharatol village has become the first village with RO water for every household on September 6, 2022? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Indian Army Chief Manoj Pandey has been conferred the honorary rank of Army General of which country? Nepal. What has been announced by the central government on September 6, 2022 to change the name of Rajpath, Kartavya Path? Which state government has announced to start employment guarantee scheme on September 7, 2022? Rajasthan. Who has got the title sponsorship rights for international and domestic matches of BCCI on as on September 7, 2022? Mastercard. Suella Braverman became the Home Secretary of which country on 7th September? Britain. Which day was celebrated on 8th September? International Literacy Day. Which Indian city has been included in the UNESCO Global Network of Learning Cities? Thrissur, Nilambur, and Warangal. Thrissur, Nilambur, and Warangal. Which nasal vaccine has been approved by CDSO CDSCO to deal with the COVID crisis on September 8, 2022? CHAD Chad 36. Who has been awarded the Lok Nayak Foundation Literary Award on September 8, 2022? Tanikela Bharani. On which planet NASA has discovered oxygen? Mars. On September 8, 2022, the president of which country has gifted the horse Tejas to Defense Minister Rajnath Singh? Mongolia. Where was India Japan Second Ministerial Dialogue organized on September 8, 2022? Tokyo. Who has stopped the United Nations Human Development Who has topped the United Nations Human Development Index released on September 9, 2022? Switzerland, and India's rank 132. Who has become the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights on September 9, 2022? Volker Turk. Neeraj Chopra became the first Indian to win the Diamond League final title with a throw of how many meters? 88.44 meters. Who has launched the Prime Minister's TB Free campaign on September 9, 2022? President Draupadi Murmu. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has inaugurated India's longest rubber dam on the river Falgu? Bihar, in Gaya. Which state government has launched Varsha Jal Sanchay Yojana named Chahat, named Chhata on September 9, 2022? Odisha. Who has won the Miss Earth India 2022 title? Vanshika Parmar. In which state National Maritime Heritage Complex will be built? Gujarat. Which state will host Ranji Trophy matches for the first time? Sikkim. Which country's cricketer Aaron Finch has announced retirement from ODI cricket on September 10, 2022? Australia. Which country has honored former, former Indian Navy Chief Sunil Lamba with the Meritorious Service Medal? Singapore. Nikshay 2.0 portal was launched on September 11, 2022. It is related to which disease? TB. Who has been appointed by the Balochistan government as the first woman deputy commissioner in Nasirabad district? Aisha Zaheri. In which district of Rajasthan will the world first Sanskar Kendra be opened? Jhunjhunu. Who has become the richest person of India in Fortune India Rich List 2022? Gautam Adani. Which state India's easternmost military garrison has been named after General Vipin Rawat? Arunachal Pradesh. On September 12, 2022, President Murmu has nominated Ghulam Ali of which state to the Rajya Sabha? Jammu and Kashmir. Who has won US Open 2022 men's single title on September 12, 2022? Carlos Alcaraz Garcia. Who has been appointed as the chairman of PMLA Appellate Tribunal on September 12, 2022? Munishwar Nath Bhandari. Where has the Indian Navy launched the third stealth frigate Taragiri of Project 17A on September 12, 2022? Mumbai. Which country has declared itself a nuclear state? North Korea. Who has won the final of Asia Cup 2022? On September 12, 2022, Sri Lanka, beating Pakistan by 23 runs. Which state government has constituted a committee on uniform civil code on September 12, 2022? Uttarakhand. In which state world largest Harappan culture museum will be established? Haryana. On September 13, 2022, Joao Lourenço has been elected president of which country for the second time? Angola. Who has been appointed as the CEO of the India unit by American Express on September 13, 2022? Sanjay Khanna. Who has been named ICC Player of the Month for August 2022? Sikandar Raza and Thalia McGrath. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Naira Energy on September 13, 2022? Prasad K. Panikar. Which country's Harlem city has become the first city to ban meat advertisement? Netherlands. Where will, where will Reliance Industries build the world's largest carbon fiber plant by 2025? Gujarat. Where is the first Naga Chili festival celebrated? Nagaland. Which day was celebrated on 14 September 2022? Hindi Divas. Where will India's first forestry university be established? Telangana. Which state government has announced monthly stipend to the recipient of national awards? Punjab. According to the information, which country will India invite as a guest country during the G20 presidency? Bangladesh. Which state became the third state with food security atlas on 14 September 2022? Jharkhand. Who became the first cricketer to have 50 million followers on Twitter? Virat Kohli. Which state has topped in the implementation of Mission Amrit Sarovar on September 15, 2022? Uttar Pradesh. Which zoo has been declared the best zoo in India? Darjeeling Zoo. Which medal has Vinesh Fogart won at the World Wrestling Championship in Serbia on September 15, 2022? Bronze. Which country's former empire Asad Rauf passed away on September 15, 2022? Pakistan. Who has received the top honor of robotic surgery on September 15, 2022? Sandeep Nair. With which country India has signed an agreement for the training of diplomats? Madagascar. Which Indian cricketer has announced his retirement from all form of cricket on September 15, 2022? Robin Uthappa. Which day was celebrated on 16 September? World Ozone Day. Who has been elected as the member of Asia Pacific Forum on 16 September 2022? Arun Mishra. Recently, India origin Shefali Razdan has been appointed as the ambassador of which country to the Netherlands, America? Who has become the new Commerce Secretary? Sunil Bhartwal. According to the information, Ahmedabad Medical College is named after whom? Narendra Modi. Which country hosted the SCO Summit 2022? Uzbekistan. Which tennis player has announced his retirement from professional tennis on September 16, 2022? Roger Federer. Who has won SAF Under 17 title on 16 September? India. In which state the Chief Minister Breakfast Scheme has been launched on September 16, 2022? Tamil Nadu. Recently, who has become India's most valuable brand? TCS. 17 September was observed as World Patient Safety Day. Who has become the new CEO of CSB Bank Limited on September 17, 2022? Pralay Mandal. Which country has announced a $6 million arm package to Ukraine on September 17, 2022? America. Which state government has announced to name its secretariat after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on September 17, 2022? Telangana. Recently, Swati Piramal has been awarded the highest civilian honor of which country? France. Who has become the 76th chess grandmaster of India? Pranav Anand. Which state government has announced to declare a public holiday on the birth anniversary of Maharaja Hari Singh on September 17, 2022? Jammu Kashmir. Where has India's first lithium ion cell factory inaugurated on Where has India's first lithium ion cell factory inaugurated on September 17, 2022? Andhra Pradesh. Who inaugurated the Hyderabad Liberation Day celebrated on September 17? Who inaugurated the Hyderabad Liberation Day celebration on September 70, 2022? Amit Shah. On September 17, 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi released 8 cheetahs brought from which country in Kuno National Park of Madhya Pradesh on his birthday? Namibia. Which day was celebrated on 18 September? World Bamboo Day. On September 18, who has been appointed by Mumbai Indians owned franchisee MI Emirates as its head coach? Shane Bond. Which organization has organized the Angan 2022 conference on September 18, 2022? Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Who has become the first state to digitize property registration on September who has become the first state to digitize property registration on September 18, 2022? Maharashtra. Which country's climate activist Vanessa Nakate has been appointed UNICEF's Goodwill Ambassador, Uganda? Which country has hosted the World Water Congress and Exhibition 2022 on September 18, 2022? Denmark. Who has chaired the 18th meeting of the National Board of MSMEs on September 18, 2022? Narayan Rane. Which country which country's vice captain Rachel Hayes has announced her retirement from all form of cricket on September 18? Australia. Who has topped the Global Crypto Adoption Index 2022 released on September 18, 2022? Vietnam. India's rank who has topped the Global Crypto Adoption Index 2022 released on September 18, 2022. Vietnam. India's rank 4th. Which state has won Youth Under 14 the 61 Subroto Cup international football tournament on September 18? Manipur. In which country Under 19 Women T20 World Cup 2023 will be played? South Africa. Recently, Lieutenant Governor of which state has dedicated the 120 feet long national flag to the nation? Jammu and Kashmir. Where was the National Conference of Tourism Minister of States and Union Territories organized on 19 September 2022? Himachal Pradesh. Who has become the CMD of LIC India Limited on September 19, 2022? Prasanna Kumar Motupalli. According to the information, which state government will set up a body like Niti Aayog? Maharashtra. In which state 512 new India Rasoi have been launched on September 19, 2022? Rajasthan. On September 19, 2022, who became the first clean state of India, Andaman and Nicobar Island? Recently, which state government has decided to introduce compulsory sport period and no bag day in school? Bihar. Which medal has Bajrang Punia won in 2022 World Wrestling Championship on September 19, 2022? Bronze. Who has won the 131 edition of the Durand Cup on 19 September 2022? Bengaluru FC. Runner-up Mumbai City FC. According to the information, which state government will increase the reservation of scheduled caste from 6% to 10%? Telangana. Who has been elected as the new president of SIAM? Vinod Agarwal. Which medal has been won by Devendra Jhajaria in World Para-Athlete Grand Prix on September 19, 2022? Silver medal. Which state government has notified Nanj- Nanjarayan Tank as a bird sanctuary on September 19, 2022? Tamil Nadu. Which country will host the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO in 2023? India. On September 20, 2022, CM Dahesi portal has been launched for the grievance of common people in Imphal, Manipur. In which state of Adani Green has started 325 megawatt wind power project on September 20, 2022, Madhya Pradesh. Which Bangladesh cricketer has announced his retirement from Test on September 20, 2022? Rubal Hussain. Which city of Uttar Pradesh has been declared as the first SCO tourism and cultural capital on September 20, 2022? Varanasi. On September 20, 2022, who has become the Secretary of the Department of Ex-Servicemen Welfare? Vijay Kumar. Which country has emerged as the largest lender of Sri Lanka, overtaking China on September 20, 2022? India. Which day was celebrated on 21st September, International Day of Peace? Which language film Cello Show has been nominated for Oscar 2023 on September 21, 2022? Gujarati. According to the information, the cabinet of which state has decided to legalize the making of liquor? Manipur. In which state Pang Lahabsol Festival 2022 was celebrated. Sikkim, who has been honored with the prestigious Smita Patil Memorial Award on September 21, 2022. Alia Bhatt. Which state government has announced to change the name of the Daulatabad Fort to Devagiri Fort? Maharashtra. Who has launched a global digital platform named Greenfins Hub to promote maritime tourism? United Nations Environment Programme UNEP. Who topped the ICC T20 batting ranking as on September 22? Mohammad Rizwan. Where has India's first dugong conservation reserve has been notified on September 22, 2022, Tamil Nadu, with whom has the NCC signed an agreement to eliminate plastic pollution on September 22, UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme, who has become the oldest Indian to swim across North Channel on September 22, Elvis Ali Hazarika. On September 22, who has been appointed by the government as the new trustee of PM Care Fund, Ratan Tata. Which country has won the United Nations Prize for Hypertension Control Initiative on September 22? India. 23rd September 2022 was observed as which day? International Sign Language Day. Which state government will use portable device SARS to prevent death of newborn children? Assam. Who has won the title of Chennai Open 2022 on September 23rd? Linda Fruhvirtova. According to the information, which state will start its own health insurance scheme CHIS from 1st October? Nagaland. Which state government has decided to withdraw the cattle control bill on September 23? Gujarat. On September 23rd, a day was reserved for women MLAs in the Legislative Assembly of which state? Uttar Pradesh. Which country will preside over the BRICS Summit for the year 2023? South Africa. Who has been named as the Director General of National Center for Good Governance by central government? Bharat Lal. Who has become the first e-commerce company to set up a solar farm in India on September 24? Amazon. Which state has started Hamar Beti Hamar Maan campaign on campaign on September 24? Chhattisgarh. Who has become the new president of Hockey India? Dilip Tirki. Where was the meeting of foreign minister of G4 India, Japan, Brazil, Germany held on September 24? New York. 25th September was celebrated as which day? Antyodaya Day. Who has become the Indian batsman to hit the most sixes in T20 cricket on September 25? Rohit Sharma. On September 25, Israel and which country has conducted a joint naval operation in Red Sea using AI? America. Recently, in which country's lab a new wolf Maya has been prepared by cloning Arctic wolf for the first time? China. Which Indian writer has won Herman Keston Prize 2022 on 26 September? Meena Kandisamy. On 26 September, who has been appointed by Railtel Corp as its MD and chairman? Sanjay Kumar. According to the information, Chandigarh Airport will be named after Shahid Bhagat Singh, who has won the first Queen Elizabeth II award on 26 September. Suela Braverman. In which state Bathukhama festival was celebrated? Telangana. Which day was celebrated on 27 September? World Tourism Day. Which chief minister of which state has released the encyclopedia on tribals? On September 27, Odisha. Which state has received Ayushman Excellence Award 2022 on September 27? Uttar Pradesh. According to the information, who will become the first female Prime Minister of Italy? Giorgia Meloni. Which ministry has developed Jaldoot app on September 27? Ministry of Rural Development. According to the information, who will be honored with the 52 Dadasaheb Phalke 2020? Asha Parekh. Which country has guaranteed its citizenship to former US scrutiny contractor Edward Snowden on September 27? Russia. Who became the Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia on September 28? Mohammed bin Salman. Which with which theme World Rabies Day 2022 was celebrated on September 28? Rabies, one health, zero deaths. Which state cabinet has approved to control online gambling on September 28? Tamil Nadu. On September 28, Bangladesh has launched its first interactive gaming platform by which name to mark the 75th birth anniversary of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Hasina and friends. Who represent India in G20 summit held in Bali on 28 September? Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. Which country has launched two new experimental satellites Jian 14 and Jian 15 on September 28? China. Which state government has approved the proposal regarding the establishment of Ranipur Tiger Reserve on September 29? Uttar Pradesh. As on 30 September, who has been appointed as the 16th Attorney General of India? R. Venkatramani. R. Venkatramani, who has been appointed as the next Chief of Defence Staff on September 30. Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan. CDS Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan. The Legislative Assembly of which state has passed a bill for International Buddhist University on 30 September? Tripura.